Hey guys, Joe here, doing a very quick one on Sunday as I'm still putting together systems, including a Pentium 4. But that's not what the point of today's video is. I got this today as a gift. It's an Invicta watch, Marvel co-branded, because inside this awesome box is an awesome watch. For those of you that are unaware, Marvel teamed up with Invicta to make watches of a lot of their characters, specifically the Avengers, but also Black Panther. And they wanted to commemorate them by doing these watches. Now, there are different designs available of each character, and my parents got me the one that they thought was the least ostentatious. And it looks amazing. I'm not normally a gold guy, but gold and red, being classic Iron Man colors, works incredibly. As you can see, it's got Iron Man's face mask. Oops, sorry about my finger there. There's the Avengers type script and the Avengers actual logo down there, along with the arc reactor in the background. Invictas are very nice watches, being Swiss movement and all, and the finish on the band is amazing. I don't know when I'm going to wear it, but I will wear it at some point. And as you guys also know, I wear my watch upside down, so that's the other thing. I don't really know how to pair it because all anybody will see is the back of the bracelet. So it'll just look like I'm wearing a gold bracelet, which is fine. But even the back on these watches, they do them up. Very nice finish there. They said there was another version that had the big, goofy looking prongs that hold down the arc reactor. I'm glad they went with the more subtle one. Yeah, that's beautiful, isn't it? It even tells the day on his face. That says Sunday. But yeah, that's amazing. Didn't even know this existed, and I am an Iron Man guy. Probably didn't know it existed because it's an Invicta. And yes, Invictas are fair priced for a luxury watch brand, but they are not cheap. They're more than I would normally ever spend on a watch, but as a gift, that is amazing. All I wanted was a t-shirt saying my parents went on a cruise and all I got was this stupid t-shirt. But now I have to be all good and nice about it. Dadgummit. It's a good thing I didn't do the shoe polish on the window when I picked them up from the airport like I was planning on. I was originally going to shoe polish welcome home from rehab, hope it worked this time, all over the car. So, yeah. Glad I didn't because that's pretty. If you have one of the other variants, let me know. Put up a picture. That's cool. Love to see it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of it and show you probably one of the coolest pieces in my Iron Man collection now. Aside from probably that is my second favorite piece. And then obviously I have a bunch of pieces over here. A couple of nice posters. And then all of the pop figures. I moved some down here so they don't get damaged by the sun. But I've also picked up other figures. That's a really nice one. Yeah, it's going to look good up here. I'll probably put it right here on the shelf in between everything so it sits there. And then when I want to wear it, I'll wear it. That's about it. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you liked the video, leave that down below. Let me know if you have one of the variants. And as always, I'll talk to you later.